Good morning, mates! Today we're gonna make
Pancakes!
Okay, let's start.
Here's the ingredients. You will need 1 medium-sized egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3/4 cups of water, and 1 pack of hot cake mix.
First, we pour our 250 grams of hot cake mix into a bowl or plate or whatever you want to prepare the batter in. Then, we put in our eggs. The recipe calls for 1 egg per batch, but we added 2 since we used 2 packs of hot cake mix.
Don't forget to whisk your eggs and break the yolk.
After that, we pour our egg mixture into the flour and fold it in. Then we slowly pour in some water into the batter while mixing until the texture becomes smooth. Now that the batter is ready, time to fire up that stove, put in some oil, and let those hotcakes cook. We carefully put the batter into the hot pan, and if you're a kiddo watching this, don't forget to always ask an adult to help you at this step. Once it starts bubbling, we can flip them over to let the other side cook. Now that it's cooked all the way through, we can place it on our plate. After making a few more for the rest of the crew, our breakfast is complete.
And now we can eat all together with nature around us.
Thank you for watching, mates!